food. Pagkuhan lang dong, diri sa kuan dong oh. Pagkuha lang dong. Makakaabot ra ka dong? Diri din. Meron ako si Binis. Wow. You have many connection, rich connection. Good for you, T-Rex. So, where are we, guys? So, as you can see earlier in my live, guys, I show you his house, so very dirty. It's mixing, guys, in that area. No one can give care of him. He always ask, guys, and he is so very old na and suffering from stroke, so he can't work, he can't move, and he can't move. So I will cook rice so that you have a lot of rich kanang friends, T-Rex. I hope you will send me people because you're so very kuan. Dahil lang sa kuya. You have a rich kanang connection.
Madali ba makaisingan
Baka naman.
Kuya? Madali ba makaisingan kay kuya na parang si mamo?
Dahil lang sa kuya lagi kay saon niya pagkakuan ko masigiran na siya salig ka mama. Di na siya kakalibang man.
Kuya, di na siya ko mama kuya.
Hilak na sad siya?
Manihirap ko sa tiyan nila.
Hilak siya? My son is crying right now. So this is our reading this. Nahilak na sad siya. But I live with this. My kuan guys. My phone holder right now is a plastic. Okay, so very kuan guys. Really so it's so very hard man to do live and I have no holder, phone holder. Ano na lang day. Ayaw lagi sige sing kuan lagi. Ayaw. Ayaw ba? Ay. Kuan na sana imo kuan bi kakapoy ninyo in town. Oy. I have a lot of things to do but I'm so very kuan guys eh. Ayaw na kuan na ako inday. Mabasa na sad karon. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body. Baby, fly man ka. Hindi parang nanigugas na ako dito. Makita ka. Makita yung nilubot. Dangerous. Ay sis, pakugos na giday. Ganan ka mahilantan ko day. Yung sa man ka, oy, magsige ra mo magkon sa inyo kaugalingon. Di mo magunahon sa ako, Ito ganina sa eskwelahan, natugtog pa ka dito, nga perti ni mo bugata. Hindi mo magunahon sa ako. I'm stressed na guys. Ay, kaya ito tabangan si kuya. Awa rin. Ato tanawon si kuya.